Here I have CUBOT Note 9, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot or the series of photos on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then you have to switch to the more modes and select burst here. So now to take a burst shot you just have to long press shutter button, and after that the burst shot will start. So let's try it. So as you can see right now I'm taking a burst shot, blah blah blah. And here we can review all these shots we take right now and select the one that, like, the most beautiful shot that you prefer the most. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.